Hi, my name is Susan, and I'm with my product today. I'm here to introduce Organization Made Easy, or OME for short, the latest in kitchen storage solutions. Organization Made Easy was founded in 2022 by its inventor and brought to life through my product today. OME has launched their newest product, the Double Dip, with two open sides for storing separate food or snacks inside one convenient container. You can now say goodbye to those cluttered pantries or cabinets that never seem big enough. Keep your produce fresher than ever with the Double Dip. This innovative storage system locks in flavor and freshness to extend the life of fruits and vegetables, saving you both time, money, and trips to the store. Make trips with your kids and furry friends stress-free by using the convenient Double Dip. This food storage container is ideal for packing snacks on the road. No more worrying about spilled treats or crumbs in car seats. It's time to hit the highway snack ready. This segment has been brought to you by my product today. Visit us at www.myproduct.today to learn more about our 7-step process for a successful product launch.